How does AgroCares use machine learning? Well, at AgroCares, we use machine learning to predict soil quality and feed quality as well. We do this through the means of taking spectral data. So take, for instance, the AgroCares scanner. This scanner produces near-infrared spectrum, and that could be something like this, from a soil or feed sample. So a farmer out in the field, for instance, will take a sample and they'll produce a spectrum like this. What we do is we take hundreds of thousands of these spectra from hundreds of thousands of samples all over the world and build them into a database. Inside this database, we have spectra for each and every sample that we've taken. Something like this, and maybe something like this. And for each spectrum, we also have the recorded soil or feed quality values. So for instance, this spectrum may have a value of 5, and this one may have a value of 20. So how does our machine learning model use this? Well, it looks at all these examples of spectra and the values and builds a machine learning model out of this information. What this model is used for is when a farmer takes a sample, scans it with the scanner, the spectrum will get sent to us and then put into our machine learning model. This model will then perform computations and determine what the value is based on the spectrum coming in. So if the farmer sends in a spectrum looking something like this, it might be a value, I don't know, maybe like 7. The machine learning model knows. In my next talk, I will talk in more detail how this machine learning model learns this information.